HighPokerStars.net. My name is Norm, aka 69 Apache. I'm 45 years young. I live in Northern California, about 2 hours north of San Francisco. No lie, I have a beautiful wife who loves me and puts up with me and puts up with my card playing. I have 5 amazing kids and 5 grandkids who I can spoil and send home. I'm a carpenter and I love what I do. Although times are tough, I've managed to stay busy and pay my mortgage and feed my family and still have enough to play poker. I think life is good. I thank you for this unbelievable opportunity to give an average Joe like myself the chance to play with the big boys and girls on the big game. I feel I have a strong advantage since they never seen me. They don't know my gameplay. They know nothing about me. And I've been watching them for years. Don't worry, Negrano or Barry. I'm not coming for your scalps. Just want your chips. Vanessa, you might want to keep that tongue in your mouth, though. Please pick me. My wife says there's no way. I hope you prove her wrong. Thank you, and hope to see you on the big game.